Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is slightly different and someone asked me to do it and it reminded me that actually I googled this and YouTubed it when I first got wigs, so I thought what's better than to do a video myself. So if you are interested on how I put this on and how it looked real, the main reason is because this is a lace front wig, so it's like lace, it looks like your scalp. They're very, very good and they don't have to be expensive. This one was about £30 or 28, something like that, so really, really good price, and you don't have to spend hundreds. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, then please click subscribe and click the bell you'll be notified when I make a new video. If you want to see how I get my thick hair into a hairnet or put wigs on, then this is a video for you, and keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of hair, very thick, and this is it without me doing anything to it, so it's unstyled. If it obviously is straightened, it was a lot thinner, however it's not. And I want to show you how you can get this into one of these tiny things. It is possible, and I'm going to show you the best way. So first of all, I like to use a net first, so I literally pop it on my head. I've kind of gone through the stages of how it is best to put these on, and I think this is the best way. So I always take my ring off. I didn't just then, it got caught, but I take my ring off, I put it over the top of my head and then curl my hair kind of into like a scrunchy, into like a ball, as if you were going to put your hair in a bun or something, and then you're just going to push it up. You're just going to push all your hair out the way and up into the net. Then you almost get like a bulge where your hair has gone, and that doesn't really matter. However, I normally just kind of scrunch it around a bit, make it a little bit more loose. But yeah, so you want to kind of get all your hair into this net, and it doesn't have to be right at the top. I normally leave a little bit, so I normally leave, like, can you see that? I normally leave a little bit so my hair and my ears are out. But yeah, so normally I leave the bulge here, but if it's at the back of your head, it's not too much of a worry. Now I've done that, it's probably easier to do your makeup like this. See, all your hair's out the way. However, a lot of the time I do lives and I don't want to go live looking like an egghead, which I do right now. So once you've got to this bit, you then want to get the net. So this is the second one, which is like a, it looks like tights, but it's like a hair cap, or I guess a wig cap or something like that. So I put the net on first. I just find it easier. You can also get nets that have a hole the other end, which could be easier. I then basically put my hands into here and I want to get the bulge first. Get the bulge in first, and then I bring it all over the head and all over the head and ears. I normally just poke out like that, kind of here, like my earrings, in case I want to wear earrings. Also, you will find that it moves and your ears probably will pop out, but you want this bit to be covering your hair, especially if it's dark, mainly because if you've got a lace front wig like mine or my ones, you can see the colour, and right here is the kind of the thinnest part of the lace, because it's coming right to the end of the parting. So you want to make sure that you've got that colour, a nude colour basically, because it just hides that like shade. So as you can see, this is the front of the wig. If it focuses, as you can see, this bit is very, very thin and it goes into like a deeper colour here. It's mainly just that bit, really, like this far, that is like lace. So anyway, what I normally do is I normally hold it up like that on my arm, and then brush it. I would work from the bottom and then work your way up, so you get all the knots out and then you can go down quite freely. They will knot quite quick if they're not like real hair or really expensive wigs. However, I find that you don't need an expensive wig unless you're going to wear it like every single day, but even then it might be fine. I've worn this many, many times. I haven't actually worn it out properly, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is, what I will say is I don't actually know what this bit is for. I don't know if it's to just secure it at the back of your head. I'm probably doing it wrong, but anyway, so what I've done is I put my hands inside the wig and I've got my thumbs by that band, so the side of the band, and I'm going to get that bulge first, pull it on, and I'm pulling that band and that bottom bit right underneath so it's all secure. And then you kind of want to sort out the front, make sure it's all tucked out because you don't want it to be all tucked in. And then while you're pulling that forward, you can readjust it, and you want to pull in 2 of these clips. So you want to pull it around and secure it, and the same with this. It does feel quite tight at first, but it does give you a little bit of a brow lift, which I happen to quite like. And then what I would do is watch a video on how to cut your lace, because normally they come low. I've just cut mine really close. I don't know if I've cut mine too far, but I think it looks fine. So anyway, that's the side of mine, which actually looks okay. That is my real hair there, but it doesn't look too bad. You can kind of, if I was going out, you can glue it down with a lot of different things. Spirit gum, I think, is the best probably one, because that really does stick. But this one, you can brush it and straighten it and everything. Obviously not heat above, I think it's like 150 or something, because again, it is like synthetic hair, but it is very, very good. I love it. It's my favourite one I've got. I do have a pink one as well. So yeah, what I'll do is I find the links for a wig cap, a wig net, or a hair net, a hair cap, and where hopefully I'll try and find where I got this wig. I know it's from Amazon, and it's Charisma, I don't know how to say it. So sorry about that. But yeah, so this is the wig. I absolutely love how it looks. It's one of my favourites, and I think, yeah, I get a lot of compliments when I wear it as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helped someone. And yeah, if you want any other videos like to do with wigs or anything at all, then let me know. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and click the bell. You'll be notified when I make a new video. If you want to see this makeup look, I will link that in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!